Hey everyone, thinking about getting AWS certified but not sure which path to take. In this video, I'll walk you through each certification level, what it covers, and how to choose the best one for your goals. So let's go. So why get AWS certified? It improves your crowd skills, it improves job chances, it boosts salary potential, and is recognized by top employers. So certifications are a great way to show employers you know your stuff. But is it the only way to succeed in cloud? Well, we'll come back to that later. So let's see the AWS certification levels. We have foundational, associates, professional, and specialty levels. AWS offers four levels of certifications from beginner friendly to highly specialized. So let's look at each level. The first level we have here foundational. Here we have Cloud Practitioner, best for beginners, managers, and non-tech roles. This one is great if you need to take all AWS. It covers basic ground concepts and AWS terminology, a solid starting point. The second level, the associate level, here we have solutions architect, developer, and system administrator. These are for people with some tech backgrounds, whether you're building apps, deploying infrastructure, or managing systems, there's an associate cert for you. Then the third level, we have the professional level. Here we have solutions architect and DevOps engineer. These are tough but rewarding. You should have real AWS experience before taking this. They dive deep into architecture and automation. Then the fourth level, we have specialty certifications. Here we have security, data analytics, machine learning, and networking. So if you want to specialize, these certifications help you focus on niche areas like AI, security, or big data. So which one should you choose? If you're still unsure, this list will help you choose based on your current job or your dream role. So if you're new to cloud, go for practitioner. If you're a developer, go for developer associate. If you're a system admin, go for system operations admin. If you're an architect, go for SA associate. And if you want to specialize, pick a specialty. So how do you get started? Pick a certification, use AWS Skill Builder or free resources, watch course videos, a Udemy, a Cloud Guru, etc. Practice in AWS Console and take mock exams. So learning the theory is great, but practicing in the AWS Console makes all the difference. Try built-in real projects while you study. So let's see the pro tips for certification success. So don't memorize and make sure to understand. Learn by doing. Study consistently, not just hard. Join online communities for support. So consistency beats cramming. Treat AWS like learning a new language. Practice regularly and you retain way more. So yes, that's what we have about certifications. So it's your turn. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Are AWS certification really necessary for crowd success or can hands-on experience be enough? So let's talk. and I reply to as many as I can. So thank you so much for your time. Please like this video if it helped you, subscribe for weekly cloud guides, and share with our friends in tech. See you in our next video.